Hey friends, Galaxy M12 is in the house. This phone has really nice things. At this price range, it has a few good features, but some of them are compromised. I'm gonna discuss all about it. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. The phone is quite big enough, glossy, it's nice. It comes with a 15-watt charger and USB Type C cable. We have this documentation booklet which is useless, and of course no one reads it. The usual SIM card slot removal tool. Let's keep it here. Let's check out the phone. Let me remove this shiny cover. Here it comes. Cool. In hand feel is great. At the back it's rigid here. At the bottom you can see the Samsung logo. The material is plastic, however, it's good to hold it. Quick look at the ports. We have headphone jack, noise cancellation mic, USB Type C port, the speaker, and we have one more noise cancellation mic on top. Surprisingly, the fingerprint location here is convenient. There's a volume button. Finally, the SD card slot over here. This phone comes with a 6000 milliamp battery, which is really huge, and therefore we are expecting a long battery life. That is 2 days with a single charge. The phone weighs around 200 grams, so it doesn't feel heavy in hand. It's okay, it's nice. A usual smartphone. Wait, this is all we have from the outside. Let's have a quick look inside. I'm gonna turn this on. What you're looking at is a 6.5-inch Infinite V HD Plus LCD display with a pixel resolution of 720 into 1600 and 270 ppi. The scrolling is really smooth thanks to the 90 Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio is 81.9%, which is really not bad. Coming to the CPU, this is a Exynos 850 processor. Performance is average because this is an efficient processor and not a performance oriented processor. So it's good for light gaming and day-to-day use. One UI 3.1 is available along with Android 11. As always, Samsung includes its security feature, which is Samsung Knox, and it's very much beneficial. The display is big enough to watch videos. However, the brightness is not up to the mark for outdoor view. You know, this is a LCD display, and so the contrast ratio is low, but considering this is a budget phone, it's not bad. You can notice the thick bezel at the bottom of the screen, which makes the height of the phone at 164 mm. Coming to the camera, it has a quad camera setup. The primary sensor is a 48 megapixel wide and 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth. So let's click some photos and see how it looks. We are testing only the primary camera, which is 48 megapixel. Let's check. I have to admit, the photos have come really good, and Samsung says this is a true 48 megapixel because it comes with Samsung's GM2 sensor. The color accuracy is nice. You can see rich color, although this is a LCD display. The selfie camera is a 8 megapixel camera. Before you buy this phone, you need to consider this phone lacks gyroscope sensor. Although this phone has a 90 Hz refresh rate, can the Exynos 850 handle it? Coming to the connectivity, this phone has dual 4G Volt, Wi-Fi calling and Bluetooth 5.0. And you can put two SIM card plus a memory card. You can see for this price range, Samsung has tried to put as much as features as possible. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Cheers.